Hi everyone, in this video I'll teach you how to share your Instagram story with specific people. Don't you worry, this will be quick and easy, so let's go ahead and begin. Okay, so first we're gonna go ahead and open the Instagram. And once you've opened Instagram, you can just tap on the profile icon on the bottom right corner of your screen. And once you're in your profile now, we're gonna tap on the three line icon on the top right corner of your screen so that we can get access to these settings. And on the topmost of the list, we're gonna tap on the settings and privacy to head to the settings. And once you tap it, you will be transferred to this screen. And on this setup option, you're just gonna scroll down for a little bit so that you can go to the who can see your content category. And in this category, the one we're looking for is the close friends settings right below account privacy. Let's go ahead and tap it. And you will be transferred to this screen. And on this screen, you can now select the people that you'd like to see your story. As you can see, I only have one follower here on this account. And to add a close friend, you're just gonna tap on the circle right next to them to put a check so that they will be added to your close friends list. And once you're done, you're just gonna tap on done on the bottommost part of your screen. And they are now added to your close friends list. And for you to share your story to them, you're just gonna go back and slide to the right to gain access to the camera of Instagram. And you can now upload a picture or a video, but in this tutorial I'll just use a blank picture. And once done, on the bottommost part you will see two options, such as adding it to your story or just adding it to your story but to your close friends. And we're just gonna tap on the close friends so that only a specific list of people will see your story. Let's go ahead and tap it. And it will be uploaded to your story. Just gonna refresh. If it doesn't show there, just gonna go to your profile. As you can see, there is an outline to my profile picture, and it is color green. Let's go ahead and tap it to check. And that is the story that I've uploaded. And as you can see, there is a green banner that has a star to it. Once you tap it, you will see that it is only restricted to the close friends. And there you go. That's it for this video. I hope this video helped. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also, ring the notification bell for you to be updated for newly uploaded tutorials. And I'll see you in the next video.